I'm Ari Rabinovitch. With spring skiing and snowboarding season on the horizon, it's still crucial to be safe and mindful, not just on the slopes, but also when signing forms. Rajiv Haté is a personal injury and disability lawyer at Kotak Law, and he wants skiers and boarders alike to look at those liability forms closely.
Does it tell you specifically what you are waiving? Does it tell you that you are specifically waiving your right to sue the ski resort? And does it tell you who is getting the benefit of that waiver in the event that you sustain an injury while on the resort? And also, what kind of activities are covered? Again, typically, it should only include activities that you're there for. So if you're going to a ski resort, the skiing, maybe snowboarding, if that's what's covered. But, if you're injured in the parking lot because of a motor vehicle accident, that's not something that should be covered.
For owners of resorts, it's crucial to remind patrons of their risks and liabilities.
Another thing to look for is, are there signs posted throughout the resort to bring this to your attention? In order for it to be enforceable, it has to be brought to your attention. It is sort of inherent in the activity that you're doing when you're signing the waiver that you're deemed to have understood what it covers, but it still needs to be brought to your attention in some manner. And often some ski resorts do have that. They have it posted in their lobby. They have it posted as you're exiting to go onto the hills. And then, like you said, on the ski lift itself.
And if taking a ski or a snowboard trip, get travel insurance and be transparent about it.
And it's important because if you're traveling and you are injured, your coverage may be limited. But even a travel insurance provider may deny a claim because they may say, well, we weren't familiar that you were going to be engaged in such an inherently dangerous activity. So if you are obtaining travel insurance, just make it very clear what's the purpose of your trip, so that to make sure that you are covered in the event you're injured from that, such as skiing in the case that we're discussing.
Rajiv Haté is at Kotak Law, and at the City News Business Center, I'm Ari Rabinovitch.